emotions are a lot like waterfalls. They're made of water, and you know, there's a lot of energy in them, but they're mostly contained. But there's a lot stirring below the surface. And then when you hit the edge and something makes you fall off, a lot of energy is released. There's a lot of steam blown off. There's a lot of intensity. And if you're caught up in it, you're gonna get pounced and trampled. But then, eventually, things settle back down. A little tumultuous in the calm down period. Oh, but here at Niagara Falls, you can see that sometimes the emotions then get frozen, get blocked. Don't move on out, go anywhere. That we don't want. So learn from waterfalls about your emotions. It's calm, it's rough, and then it's calm again. The more you understand and flow with them consciously, the happier you'll be.